Good morning, Michigan Center. Today is Wednesday, June 4th, 2025. I'm Olivia along with my co-anchor,
Annalyn.
bringing you today's morning announcements.
The Pledge of Allegiance will start in 5 seconds.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Your weather for today is increasing clouds with a high near 79, with a chance of showers or thunderstorms after 3. Tonight, showers and possibly a thunderstorm with a low around 61.
There are no birthdays today. Today is National Cheese Day, not to be confused with other popular cheese-related holidays like Grilled Cheese Day or Cheesecake Day or Mac and Cheese Day. This day is in honor of the queen of all dairy, the Big Cheese.
Students, reminder to return any school Chromebooks you have by Friday at the latest.
There is a girls' golf meeting with Mr. Fry today during the high school advisory.
That's it for today. Stay classy.